Yeah, we're going. Let's see, how does that? That looks pretty good. Hi, welcome to Monty's Misadventures. I'm Monty, and these are my misadventures. Today we're on a ride out at the Charles City Dirt Riders Club in Charles City County, Virginia. My grandson is on his Kawasaki KLX 140R, and I'm on my brand spanking new Kawasaki KLX 300R. In previous videos, you might have remembered me having the KLX 250, which was a dual sport. This bike actually is a pure dirt bike. It's not made for the road at all. It's not a motocross bike though. It's mostly a trail bike, so it's geared for the trail, and the cam is set for trail riding and so forth. Anyway, there it is. Ain't she a beauty? Go Team Green. All right, Waylon's got the GoPro on his helmet today. We're going to let him take some pictures. He pulls over here, and what he's going to do is try to figure out what we're going to do first. Ultimately, we're going to head down to the small grass track. That's just a bunch of loops in a field with a few little jumps on it to help us along. He's still very new at this. Well, yeah, so am I. I haven't been doing this long enough to consider myself an expert or anything, but I did ride a lot when I was a kid, so I'm not without some background. Anyway, he's still very new at this, and is he's slowly building his confidence, and I'm trying to convince him to stand up more when he rides, but he just doesn't want to stand up. He wants to sit down and take it easy. But I'm not going to push him with that. This way, at least he's given himself a chance to learn the bike and how it responds at different things in the sand or in the grass or rocks and whatever. And he's had a couple of spills. It's not been bad. He did have another motorcycle before this one, a little pit bike that was a SSR 110. And that was fun. He outgrew that, so for his birthday in February, we bought him this bike, and it's nice. I'm very impressed with it. I've ridden it, and it's a small bike, but it's got a lot of it's got good power to it. It's fairly easy to ride, good suspension, everything about it. It seemed very nice. So that's kind of why I got the one that I have. It's a very similar bike. It's just the bigger version of the same thing. Let's listen for a little while.
Oh yeah, I know that part. Oh, power shift. Here, you take the lead. I want to see how good you do.
He was talking about all the dust that I was kicking up in front of him, and he asked if he did that to me, and I'm like, no, because you ride too slow.
I almost ran over a butterfly.
In previous episodes, you might remember me talking about our run-in with butterflies.
Did you get there?
And for whatever reason, there were just a lot of butterflies flying around the park today.
I want to see you hit this one.
We did smash a few of them, but I think they all just pretty much bounced off of us.
Sounds like you got some backfire. Huh, nice.
Got a little air.
having fun now. I wish we had 2 GoPros.
You hear that, Mom? We need another GoPro.
Woo. Did you like your dust?
He enjoyed
Ew.
making me eat dust.
Oh yeah, I know. That's why I'm going up the grass. Hey there. I know what I'm gonna do. Yep. Shortcuts always nice. What mud puddle? Oh, that mud puddle. I'm not sure. I want to get a nice view of you hitting these hills. Nice. How nice of you. You left me a dusty present. Alright, this is my last lap. Is this gonna be yours or no? Alright. Oh! Yeah.
Gotta learn to stand up.
But I wasn't ready for it, so I was sitting down. Woo. Oh yeah. Well, because use your back brake. Woo. Woo-hoo. Oh look, it's the guy with the. Yep.
Have you had it long? That's a WR250.
Yeah, that looks like the new KOS.
It's a brand new. I bought it when? Last month?
No, about
I don't
few
even
weeks.
have 2 hours on it yet.
Nice.
Yeah, he got his.
We were
in,
making friends.
February. He went from a pit bike, and I went from.
Don't tell anybody. He's already out.
kickstand up? Okay then. That should be good. Yep, that's why it stays close to the left.
I think. The problem is it's upside down, so when I edit, I have to flip everything over.
But you're still gonna be upside down.
Well, yeah.
Unless we edit you out.
We'll make it all happen. So we're going to the 6 mile pack first.
Yep, then we're doing hills. Then we're gonna be heading home for the day. Oh, that wasn't a puppy, that was a full-grown dog.
Well, unfortunately, shortly after this, I ran out of space on the card in the GoPro. I forgot to delete some previous stuff on there, so we'll ride around this grass track a little bit, and then it'll just abruptly cut off. But anyway, we went and rode on the hills by the parking lot for a while, and he got a lot braver and actually stood up a little bit while he was doing that. I think it was very productive, and we were sort of one more timing ourselves to death. It's like, okay, we're going to do this one more time, and then we would do it one more time, and then okay, just once more, and we kept that up for quite a while, and then eventually we decided it was time to head home. A good day was had by all. Nobody got hurt. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you later.